This is Learn Hebrew Aleph to Tav, and today we are going to start a new series of reading lessons. The series will start with basic Hebrew reading, great both for beginners and for more experienced Hebrew speakers who want to refresh their memory and improve their reading skills. In this series, you will be able to read along with me, each lesson at a time. By the end, you will be able to read Hebrew in print letters, handwriting letters, with Nikud and even without Nikud. Your vocabulary will greatly increase, as well as sentence structure understanding and Hebrew grammar rules. We'll start with basic Hebrew words and simple sentences that will enable you to gain confidence by practicing. Knowing the Hebrew alphabet is a prerequisite for a successful reading. Check out the Hebrew alphabet lessons on this channel. I also recommend going over the Nikud lessons so you don't start from scratch. Links in the cards and the description below. If you choose to start reading with no prior knowledge of the Hebrew language, it may cause frustration and leave gaps in your knowledge. In any case, I leave the decision to you. We will begin with print letters. Those are less affected by handwriting style, thus easier to read, especially for beginners. We'll also see the Hebrew final letters, or otiyot sofiyot. Together with the Hebrew alphabet, I will show you how words are decorated with Nikud. We'll go over each Nikud sign and discuss it, sometimes in short, sometimes in-depth discussion. I will also translate words and sentences so you can increase your vocabulary while reading and use the sentences when speaking Hebrew. Each lesson will cover a range of topics and aspects of the Hebrew language. If you have any questions regarding any topic, leave them below. You can use the timestamps provided to jump to a specific section of any lesson. For each lesson, there will be a summary in the description. Make sure you read it first so you find a lesson that suits your level of Hebrew. That is all for this introduction. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thank you and toda for watching.